For iOS users, Step 1. Connect your iOS device to the same Wi-Fi network as your JIRENO Cube4. Step 2. Open Control Center of your iOS device and tap Screen Mirroring. Step 3. Select the device name starting with eShare from the list. For Android users, Step 1. Enter the home screen of JIRENO Cube4. Enter More Apps and then select eShare Server. Step 2. Connect your Android mobile phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your JIRENO Cube4. Step 3. Scan the QR code on the screen to download the eShare app. Step 4. Launch eShare and select the device name starting with eShare from the device list to connect.